Hello, it is Monday, and here's my first meal. I have 3 eggs cooked in some bacon, fat, and sprinkled with salt. And then I have my chicken wings over there. Here is my second meal for Monday, just a steak. Here is my first meal for Tuesday. I have 2 chicken wings and a burger. Here is my second meal for Tuesday. I have a steak with some eggs. Here is my first meal for Wednesday, and I'm actually not eating it now. I'm going to be out and about, and I'm just gonna put this in a thermos, and it's just 4 eggs and some sausage, beef sausage that I cut up, and this is a pretty clean beef sausage. It's just beef, salt, and water, and I'm going to pop it in a thermos, and when it's time to eat, this is what I'll be having. So I will say, if you know that you are going to be out and about, to prevent yourself from falling off the bandwagon or just being in a drive-through somewhere, just go ahead and pack your meal with you. And something as simple as this gets the job done. All right, for my second meal today, I'm just having some sour cream and some pork rinds. Here is my first meal for Thursday. I have some beef marrow, which I did get from a local farmer. And if you look in here, I just popped it in the oven and baked it, and I'm just gonna season it with salt. And if I poke it with my finger, you see that yummy marrow on the inside. Absolutely delicious. And then I have steak. I think this was from Tuesday night. I couldn't finish the steak that I had, so I didn't feel like eating that yesterday. So this is the other half of it, and I'm having this as my first meal today. All right, here I am 15 minutes or so after my first meal for Thursday, over the stove cooking up 4 eggs. 15 minutes or so after I ate, my body was like, "You playing, right? That's all you gonna give us?" I was still a little bit hungry. I didn't think I was that hungry, but after I ate what I just showed you, I realized my body wants more food. So I just used some of the fat that came from the marrow, from cooking the marrow, just poured it in the pot and cooked up 4 eggs, seasoned with salt. Eggs, I'm telling you, is just such a great filler. It really, really is. Here is my second meal for Thursday. So delicious. Right here, I have some broth that I made today in my Instant Pot. You can click on the link above to see how I make really simple broth in the Instant Pot. And all I did was I added some butter to this broth just now, and I added some salt, and then I have in here these chicken meatballs. This is so good. All right, here is my first meal for Friday, and I'm so excited to eat it. Over here, I have some broth, and I mixed in 3 eggs and some butter. I ran out of ghee, and I've been using butter pretty much all this week. So this is so delicious. So it's the 3 eggs and just some broth and seasoned with salt. And then over here I have my chicken meatballs. So again, I'm eating pretty much the same thing that I ate last night for my meal, but I'm not putting the meatballs in the broth, so it just feels like a different experience. Look at how nice and creamy this is. Oh, and I'm just so excited about eating it. All right, bye. For my last meal for Friday, I had a steak. Hope you enjoyed all these suggestions. Be blessed.